You know that feeling when you're supposed to be working on something important, but your hand just keeps reaching for your phone? You tell yourself it'll just be a quick scroll, but suddenly an hour has vanished and you haven't done anything meaningful. And the worst part is, even when you finally sit down to work, your brain feels foggy and restless, like it's forgotten how to focus on anything that isn't instantly gratifying. If this sounds familiar, you're not broken. Your brain has just been rewired by the constant stream of easy dopamine hits we get from our devices. So here's what's actually happening inside your head. Dopamine is the neurotransmitter that drives motivation and reward. Think of it like fuel for your brain's motivation engine. Now, activities like scrolling social media, watching short videos, and playing mobile games give you tiny dopamine hits over and over, like sipping from a high-powered energy drink all day long. Your brain adapts to this and starts expecting that constant stimulation. It's more like a slow-burning fire. It gives you satisfaction, but only after sustained effort. When your brain has been trained on quick hits, anything requiring patience feels unbearable by comparison. It's not that you've lost your ability to work hard. It's that your brain's reward system has been sensitized to expect instant payoffs, making delayed gratification feel almost painful. The good news is you can reset this, and you don't need some extreme detox where you lock yourself in a cabin without technology. Start with what I call the Boredom Bridge. Pick 1 hour each day where you do absolutely nothing stimulating. No phone, no music, no podcast, no scrolling. Just sit with your thoughts or go for a walk without any input. This sounds uncomfortable because it is, and that's exactly the point. When you remove the easy dopamine sources, your brain starts to recalibrate. It remembers that satisfaction can come from other places. After a few days of this, you'll notice that tasks requiring focus start feeling more manageable. The key is consistency. Your brain needs to relearn that meaningful work is worth the wait, and the only way to teach it that lesson is by creating space where instant gratification isn't an option. Pair this with protecting your work time. When you sit down to focus, remove every possible distraction before you start. Make the friction to access easy dopamine higher than the friction to just keep working. Your brain is incredibly adaptable, and that's both the problem and the solution. You've accidentally trained it to crave constant stimulation, but that means you can also train it back. Small, consistent changes create big shifts in how you experience focus and motivation. Keep working on closing those unnecessary tabs in your mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.